Hello everyone, we have with us Mr. Aditya Khullar, Technical Leader, Security from Paytm. So let us hear from Mr. Aditya. Welcome to 13th eINDIA Digital Transformation Summit. Can you give us the sense of the kind of technology Paytm is using and in terms of security, the branch which you are heading?
Very much good evening. I feel privileged to be here. As far as security is concerned, I am working as a technical leader for information security for Paytm. And technology which is being used in Paytm is the same which most of the companies use. The only question is that for information security, one needs to be proactive. Information security is all being about proactive. You can't be reactive, because when a reaction happens, then the damage is done by that time. So remediation is very, very tough. So proactive is the way to go for security. That's it.
Great. Can you tell us about the proactive initiatives and technical initiatives and innovations taken up by Paytm?
I will say not exactly by Paytm, but for the enterprises which I have worked till now. So in generic way, I would like to mention that threat intelligence is something which most of the companies are working on, and there are some companies which have implemented threat intelligence. So by threat intelligence, I mean that you will be able to proactively see a threat which your organization might have, rather than being evaluated in a reactive way. For example, say if there is a ransomware in the wild space, you are following advisories and all. So you are basically trying to remediate that kind of threat before it hits your infrastructure. So threat intelligence is something which most of the companies are using. Data leakage prevention tools, both at the email level as well as at the hardware level, is something which companies are investing in. The next technology to be inculcated in the world space is regarding artificial intelligence with machine learning. So these are the three ones which most of the companies are working on these days. Yeah.
You have joined the 13th eINDIA Digital Transformation Summit. What has been your experience so far, and how do you look at this platform?
See, if you talk in terms of information security or network security, BFSI industry is the most prominent industry which is being able to follow the guidelines related to security. The only reason being that RBI probably has put that mandate that information security is not a request, it's a mandate. So I will only say that the conference up till morning till evening was very informative. We got to know of various technologies being used in Government of India or in private-public partnership. So I want to wish you all the best. It's a great conference to be in and gain the respective knowledge and implement that stuff.
Thanks for joining us, Mr. Aditya.